think we're live. Hello, everybody. Hello, welcome. Welcome if you're watching this live or you're watching this on the replay. Welcome. Thank you for being here. So I have exciting news today that I want to share with you. I've got a brand new exciting thing to tell you about and to show you actually. So it's here. If you're on Facebook, you can't see it, but here it is. And if you're on Instagram, here it is. You can see it. Sorry. Okay, Leila, don't get too excited. I hope you can all hear me. Okay, so the word of the day is vintage. So we have Oasis vintage boxes to offer you guys. And these are one-time purchases, so they're very different. And we're very excited to offer that. So there are limited quantities. Hello, hi everybody, hello. So if you're here, you're watching, even if you're watching on replay, go ahead and put in the comments. Tell me hi and tell me where you are, where you're from. And if you're a parent, if you're a grandparent, if you're an auntie or an uncle, or if you're looking into Oasis boxes for your friends, maybe you're already a member. So put it in the chat, and let's see how it goes. Hi, hello. Hi everybody. Okay, awesome. So let's get into this thing. So excited. I'm so excited that you're watching this because I have not put this on the website yet. Hopefully during the weekend we'll do that, and I have not even emailed about it today or tomorrow. Hopefully I'll email about it. I just hinted it on social media. Was it yesterday? I think yesterday morning or the day before, and people are already purchasing, and the numbers are limited. So that's why I'm excited for you to watch, that you're watching this, so that you don't miss out on it. It's actually pretty exciting the way that people are reacting to this, and they're loving this. So I'm happy that you're here and you're watching. It's all about the. So if you have been following us and the Oasis box, you know that the doors to the actual club is closed, right? And if you're not, if it's the first time you're hearing about this, so let me tell you a little bit very quickly. So Oasis boxes are a membership. It's a subscription box of gardening, growing food for kids. Okay, so every month our members receive a box. It's like a birthday for the kids every month that looks like this. And every time inside it, it's brand new stuff that are themed, that it's all around the same topic, and they get to, the seeds are in there, the step-by-step activities are in there, for our homeschoolers, the lessons are in there, and it's all about, the same topic, and it's seasonal. So it's for the Northern Hemisphere, and it's based on the season, and we are actually in the one of the coldest places on earth. Well, not the coldest, but it gets cold here. So it's all works for us here, therefore works for most people in the Northern Hemisphere, and it's timed very well with the seasons and the months and all that, and it's themed. So it's pretty exciting, and it's cool stuff in here. But again, the doors to the actual club is closed, and there are many different reasons why we close the doors, but long story short, it all comes down to being able to serve our members the best that we can, because we are a very, very small business and we have a very small team, and logistics and all that got really crazy when people were joining the club, right before the shipment, and we didn't have the material for them. So anyway, so it got all crazy, and the demand was really high, so we had to close the doors. We will probably in the future open it again, but right now it's closed. And people started asking me, what am I supposed to do? I want to, experience. Do you have, can I buy one box? And I'm like, no, because of all those logistical reasons, And also because of the loyalty and, people who are members and are paying month after month. And there are surprises in these boxes for them and all the exciting stuff. So we don't actually want to, just sell it even for more money. So, because not everything is about money, right? We don't want to do that. We don't want to just give away boxes that are for our members to people who are outside the membership. So, and logistically, ordering and things like that, we couldn't do that. So then people were like, okay, so do you have old boxes that I can buy? And I'm like, yeah, I have leftover boxes, but I can't sell you a box of January in September because the seeds are for the season and it's all about that month of the year, the theme and everything. So, but as we grew and as now we are well into the second year, and this thing has really taken off. We do have boxes of last September that are really exciting, that are exactly for this month of the year, and we can offer those. So this month is the first month that we're offering what we call our vintage boxes. So this is not the box that our members get this year, this September, but it is for this season. It is the box that they got last year, right? So that's the story behind this and why we're offering it. And again, as I said, I hinted it yesterday on social media. I haven't even put it on the website, and I haven't even sent an email about it, and people are already buying. And these are limited numbers because these are the boxes that we have from last year. The only thing we're actually purchasing again this year for these boxes is the seeds, because we don't want to send you old seeds, right? But everything else depends on how much inventory we have. So from last year. So you do want to make sure, and we ship to US and Canada, as you probably know, but it's worth mentioning. So this is now what I want to show you is the September, our first vintage box, which is the September of 2020 box. We're very excited to have this as our first vintage box because well, all our boxes are awesome, if you ask me, and I am biased, obviously. But this has very exciting stuff in. So let me show you quickly what's in this box so that you can know what it is you're buying if you want to buy. And again, these are one-time purchases, so no long-term commitment. So if you are on the wait list for Oasis Box spots to become available, but you're not sure because you don't want to have a long-term commitment when you don't know if your kids are going to like it or not. This would be the perfect opportunity for you to give it a try. Okay, so go ahead and do that. So the September box of last year was all about cool crops. So those are the crops who are perfect for for growing in September or October. And so as usual, there's a lesson. So let me show you the lesson. So for our homeschoolers, they love the lessons, right? So they're very engaging. They're very colorful. They get the kids to think about the topic and all that. So that's the lesson that's in this box. And most importantly, the arugula seeds are the seeds that we grew. The seeds are always organic. And we source it local to you. So the US clients get it from a very amazing US company that are a non-for-profit, and they grow seeds and all that, and Canadians same. So the seeds were arugula. So you're going to get a brand new seed, not the last year's seeds, this year's seeds. So that's the only item we are actually purchasing again for these boxes. And then obviously there is the step-by-step, colorful, really exciting, designed for kids activity guide. So how do you actually grow it? There's the shopping list. The seeds are in there. Water you already have. Soil you need to buy for your kids. So one bag of soil, small bag of soil for this would be enough. Soil is probably the only thing we can't put in these boxes because the soil is heavy and we need a lot more than it would fit in these boxes, right? So anyway, you have your shopping list and you have your activity guide that your kids can do together, and there's like games in there's all kinds of things. You have your shopping list here as well if you want to put it in your purse or you in the car to go and grab them, and there's all the activities. So this is your family's win card of the month, so all the activities have points, you know, so you can actually measure for the homeschoolers. You can actually take a look and see if you achieved everything that you wanted to achieve with this box. And then there's a collectible cutout, conversation starter card, which we call garden talk cards, and this was for September about cool crops. So everything's themed, right? And there's stickers and mantra tags. So every month there's a mantra tag, so the mantra of the month, and there's stickers that are cool crop stickers. I don't know if you see them. They're pretty colorful, exciting, and they're collectible. You can't find these stickers anywhere else. We don't sell them off or anything like that. They're just for the members, and obviously for the ones who buy this one purchase. And then there's coloring pages, things like that for all different ages and age groups, right? But the one item that our members really loved, and we had so much good feedback about last September 2020, was a board game. So we had a complete board game with the cards and the die that's color coded about cold crops. And just this board game by itself is at least $20. So we haven't sold this off, but for our Christmas, probably we will offer these board games as a separate thing. And this box is shipping included, is only $35. And all the things that I just showed you with the seeds and the guides and the games and everything is in there. And on top of that, we have at least $20 worth of the board game. Now, you certainly don't want to miss out on this vintage box. So the vintage box of September, which you can get without being a member, had a board game. And this is the board, and it's all about Fall Oasis Garden. So all the different things that we can, here's the thing, like the instructions are on the back, and this is the board, and these are the cards and the die that goes with the cards. So show you the cards. I don't know how much you can see them. They're really colorful. We have garlic that we're planting in fall, and we have cold crop seeds that go piled up here, and then we have preserve pile, and we have grandma's kitchen here, and this is the winter card. So as we're taking the cards, winter card would come, and when all the winter cards are done, then the game is over. And the number of things that we actually get to accomplish during the fall, before the game is over, before winter comes, actually determines if we're winning or if we're losing. And this is a collaborative board game. There are no one person that loses and one person that wins, and there was this one member a mom who loved this, and she was like, I love that these are collaborative games so that nobody gets upset and we don't have to throw off the whole board and get upset that we're losing. We all win together or we all lose together. This game can be played by one child or the whole family. It doesn't matter. So it's a very versatile game. It's an educational game because we're talking about fall gardens. We're talking about preserving. We're talking about planting cold crops. We're talking about planting bulbs, things like garlic and things like that. And tons of learning goes into this. And this is part of your entire Oasis vintage box of September. So I just wanted to show you that. I again want to let you know that we only have a limited number. We don't know if we're going to offer a vintage box in October or not. Again, I have to look at the inventory and see if we have them. So I don't know if we're going to do that or not, but we do have a few of these, and the link, if you're on Facebook, is in there. We ship to US and Canada. Go ahead and grab yours before the supply, while the supplies last. And gift it if you are already a member and you've seen this. If you're a new member and you would love to have this, you didn't have it, you weren't with us last year and you would love to have this box, go ahead and order it. If you're a member and you want to gift this box to someone, go ahead and order it. If you're on the wait list and you haven't seen spots available yet, and you also want to, give one box a try, go ahead and order it. Make sure you do that before first of all, before the end of September, but I really don't think that we're going to get to that because we have limited supplies and people are buying already. So go and grab it before the end of September or before we run out of the vintage boxes, okay? So if you're on Facebook, the link is there. If you're on Instagram, the link is in the bio. So go to our bio, and if you click on the link, the very first one at the top should be the vintage box of September. Go ahead and grab yours before it all is gone. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Thank you for following this work. We're a small team, and we really love it when there's engagement and when we have testimonials and when the parents and grandparents tell us how much they love our boxes and constructive feedback too. We're always open to hearing from you and hearing from everybody. Thank you for being here. Make sure you go and grab your September box, vintage box, and hopefully, again, I'm gonna look at the inventory and see if we have October boxes. I'm not sure about that, but for September, we have them. And there's a few of them, so go grab yours. Okay, that's it for me for today. Hello. Okay, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next Friday, because every Friday I have so much exciting stuff coming for the Christmas season that you would like to know about. I'm sure of it. So we're gonna talk soon. Bye bye.